Have you ever wondered why some women seem drawn to emotional ups and downs? It's not about drama. It's about emotional engagement. Many women experience a subconscious craving for emotional variety. This doesn't mean they want chaos, but rather a dynamic range of feelings that keep the relationship engaging. Recognizing this can help men navigate relationships more effectively. Understanding emotional engagement. Emotional engagement refers to the dynamic interplay of feelings that keep a relationship vibrant. It's the thrill of anticipation, the joy of connection, and even the tension of occasional disagreements. These emotional fluctuations can make interactions more stimulating and memorable. The role of emotional variety. Just as a roller coaster ride is exhilarating because of its highs and lows, relationships benefit from emotional variety. Constant predictability can lead to complacency, whereas a mix of emotions can foster deeper bonds and sustained interest. Implications for men. Understanding this desire for emotional engagement means recognizing the importance of balance. It's not about inducing unnecessary drama, but about being authentic, expressive, and responsive. By embracing a range of emotions and experiences, men can create more fulfilling and lasting connections. The pitfall of constant pursuit. Why does always being available sometimes lead to being taken for granted? Traditional advice often emphasizes constant attention and affirmation. However, over-pursuing can lead to diminished appreciation. When a man is always present, the excitement can wane. It's essential to balance attention with personal space to maintain mutual respect and interest. Understanding over-pursuit. Over-pursuit occurs when one partner consistently initiates contact, plans, and emotional support without reciprocation. This imbalance can create pressure and reduce the perceived value of the pursuer's efforts. The importance of mutual effort. Healthy relationships thrive on mutual effort. When both partners invest time, energy, and emotion, it fosters respect and appreciation. Over-pursuit can disrupt this balance, leading to feelings of suffocation or disinterest. Strategies for balance. Self-reflection. Assess your motivations for constant pursuit. Are they rooted in insecurity or genuine care? Open communication. Discuss needs and expectations with your partner to ensure alignment. Personal fulfillment. Engage in activities and relationships outside of the romantic partnership to maintain individuality. The power of strategic absence. Can taking time for yourself actually strengthen a relationship? Absolutely. When a man focuses on his personal growth and passions, it naturally creates periods of absence. This isn't about playing games, but about living a fulfilling life. Such independence can reignite attraction, as it showcases confidence and self-worth. Understanding strategic absence. Strategic absence involves intentionally dedicating time to personal interests, goals, and self-care. This space allows both partners to maintain their individuality and brings fresh energy into the relationship. Benefits of personal space. Renewed appreciation. Time apart can lead to a greater appreciation for shared moments. Personal growth. Pursuing individual goals enhances self-esteem and brings new perspectives to the relationship. Reduce dependence. Encouraging independence prevents codependency and fosters a healthier dynamic. Implementing strategic absence. Set boundaries. Clearly communicate the importance of personal time to your partner. Schedule personal activities. Dedicate time to hobbies, friendships, and self-improvement. Respect each other's space. Encourage your partner to pursue their interests as well. Building a purpose-driven life. What makes a man truly captivating? A life filled with purpose. Women are often drawn to men who have clear goals and passions. When a man is driven by purpose, it not only enhances his confidence, but also makes him more attractive. It's not about making a woman the center of your world, but about inviting her into a world that's already rich and fulfilling. Defining personal purpose. Personal purpose refers to the overarching goals and values that guide an individual's actions and decisions. It provides direction, motivation, and a sense of fulfillment. Impact on relationships. Attractiveness. Purpose-driven individuals exude confidence and determination, traits that are universally appealing. Stability. A clear sense of purpose provides emotional stability, reducing reliance on external validation. Shared growth. Partners can support and inspire each other's personal journeys, strengthening the bond. Cultivating purpose. Self-assessment. Reflect on your passions, strengths, and values to identify your purpose. Set goals. Establish short-term and long-term objectives aligned with your purpose. Continuous learning. Seek opportunities for growth and development in your chosen path. Embracing emotional mastery. How does staying calm in emotional situations enhance attraction? Emotional mastery isn't about suppressing feelings, but about understanding and managing them. When a man remains composed during challenges, it conveys strength and reliability. This calmness can be incredibly appealing, as it provides a sense of security and stability in the relationship. Understanding emotional mastery. Emotional mastery involves recognizing, understanding, and regulating one's emotions. It's about responding thoughtfully rather than reacting impulsively. Benefits in relationships. Trust building. Consistent emotional responses foster trust and predictability. Conflict resolution. Calmness during disagreements leads to more constructive outcomes. Emotional safety. Partners feel secure when they know emotional outbursts are unlikely. Developing emotional mastery. Mindfulness practices. Techniques like meditation can increase emotional awareness. Reflective journaling. Writing about emotional experiences helps in understanding triggers and patterns. Seeking support. Therapy or counseling can provide tools for emotional regulation. Scarcity makes you valuable. Why do people want what they can't easily have? Because scarcity makes things feel special. When something is rare, people value it more. That's true for diamonds. That's true for your time too. If you're always around, always texting, always available, you lose that sense of value, not because you're not good enough, but because you're too easy to get. The principle of scarcity. Scarcity means something isn't always there. When you're not always available, your presence becomes more powerful. People start to miss you. They notice your absence. And most importantly, they crave your presence. This is not a game. This isn't about acting like you're busy when you're not. It's not about playing tricks. It's about actually living your life, being busy with your goals, your growth, your joy. That's what makes your time rare and valuable. What she feels. When you're not always there, she has space to think about you. She begins to imagine what you're doing. She wonders if you're thinking about her. That wonder is powerful. That wonder builds desire. Your time equals your power. Stop giving your time to anyone who doesn't value it. When you use your time wisely, to build, to grow, to rest, you become someone she can't stop thinking about. The magnetic calm of emotional control. What happens when the world around you is chaotic, but you stay calm? You become the strongest man in the room. In relationships, many men get emotional when things go wrong. They beg, they chase, they argue, they overreact. But the Stoic man, he doesn't explode, he doesn't panic, he breathes, he leads with calm. What emotional control really means. Emotional control isn't about pretending you don't feel. It means you do feel, but you decide what to do with those feelings. You own them, you lead them, you don't let them lead you. Why women respect this. When a woman sees a man who can stay calm during a fight, a challenge, or even a breakup, she sees power. She sees leadership. She sees safety. Not the safety of weakness, but the safety of strength. She feels more secure. Emotional chaos makes people anxious, but when she sees you're not easily shaken, she starts to trust you deeply. She knows she's with someone solid, someone who won't fall apart just because things got hard. The Stoic warrior. You don't raise your voice. You don't rush to fix. You don't break under pressure. You pause. You think. You speak with calm. That's the man she remembers. That's the man she respects. The quiet power of living your purpose. What makes her lean in closer without you saying a word? A life that's already full, with or without her. When you wake up with goals, when your days are filled with meaningful action, when you have a direction, something powerful happens. You no longer chase people. You attract them. Purpose makes you magnetic. A man with purpose doesn't waste time. He doesn't beg for attention. He knows where he's going, and that makes him rare. Women don't want to be your whole world. They want to join a world that's already amazing. Purpose first, romance second. When you live for purpose, love becomes a bonus, not a need. That changes everything. You're not afraid of losing her because you already have a full life. That fearlessness is what makes her want you more. You're unshakable. Even when emotions run high, your mission keeps you grounded. You don't chase approval. You don't chase comfort. You chase growth, vision, meaning. And when she sees that, she can't help but admire it. Your purpose is your core. Build your body, build your mind, build your money, build your path. Not for her, but for you. Then watch how many women want to walk beside you. Real confidence versus fake confidence. Can she feel when your confidence is fake? Yes. And it turns her off instantly. Wearing fancy clothes, showing off your car, flexing your money. It might fool some people, but not for long. Real confidence isn't loud. It's not shiny. It's quiet, calm, and rooted in something deeper. What fake confidence looks like. Fake confidence brags. It shows off. It tries too hard to prove worth. It's built on things that can disappear. Money, looks, likes, validation. What real confidence feels like. Real confidence is being okay with silence. It's knowing you don't have to impress anyone. It's walking into a room and not needing attention because you already approve of yourself. Women can tell. She can feel it. She watches how you talk to others. She sees how you handle rejection. She notices how you act when no one is clapping for you. Real confidence makes her feel safe. Fake confidence makes her feel unsure. Confidence built on competence. Confidence comes from doing hard things, from getting good at something, from keeping promises to yourself. When you trust your own skills, you don't need outside applause. Peace is the new power. Want to know the one thing that makes you unforgettable in a chaotic world? Inner peace. Most people live with noise in their minds, always chasing, always comparing, always anxious. But a man who is at peace, who doesn't chase, who doesn't need, who doesn't panic, that man stands out. The power of inner peace. When you're at peace, you don't argue to win, you don't force things, you let go of what's not meant for you. That peace makes you powerful because nothing controls you. Not emotions, not people, not fear. She feels your calm. When she's overwhelmed, she turns to you. Because you don't match her chaos. You absorb it with stillness. You don't react. You guide. You lead with presence, not pressure. Peace is attractive. In a world full of loud people begging for attention, peace is refreshing. You become a safe place, not boring, but stable. She feels like she can relax when she's around you. Build that peace daily. Wake up early. Sit with your thoughts. Walk in silence. Create before you consume. Let go of what you can't control. That's how you become the man her mind can't stop thinking about. Not because you chase her, but because you don't need to.